Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybiz News.
With working from home, stay at home becoming the new normal, there is a rising need for better indoor air quality. Panasonic India, a leading diversified technology company with an expertise of over 60 years of manufacturing air conditioners and had introduced innovative technologies like Nano X and Nano G in their products. The Nano EX and Nano G technology ensure a healthier air quality index and inhibit bacteria and viruses, both suspended in the air and adhere to surfaces. In addition, ACs some equipped with the company's in-house artificial intelligence and IoT experience for consumers. The lineup for the 5-star inverter Nano EX ACs is available in 1 ton and 1.5 ton. The CSCU HU18 XKYF is priced at Indian rupees 69,900. Indian consumers can experience the range of Panasonic ACs across major retail outlets in Hyderabad like Bajaj Electronics, Reliance, Vijaya Sales, Chroma, as well as the all major online portals like Amazon, Flipkart and across Panasonic's brand stores. Speaking about the company's commitment towards healthier homes, Gaurav Sah, business head Air Conditioners Group Panasonic India said, "Today's consumers are looking for an enhanced safety at home as they gradually resume normalcy, and with that insight we have designed our ACs for healthier homes." Panasonic ACs use nanoe technology to clean and deodorize the indoor air. It further inhibits the growth of bacteria and viruses and removes 99% of PM 2.5 particles, empowering our consumers to enjoy better indoor air quality. Miraie, Panasonic's artificial intelligence AI and IoT platform further ensure a connected and comfortable living experience. The new market campaign for ACs featuring these live across all our platforms since 18 February.
Thank you for watching Hybiz News.